So let's look at the concept of list unpacking a little bit. And in general, when we think of unpacking, it means that we've got a collection and we're going to take the values in that collection and put them into some variable names, right? So I'm going to start off with this animals list, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use a method that you haven't seen yet called append, and I'm just going to put a few animals in this animals list. You'll see this soon. Don't worry too much about it. It's going to start adding things. Elephant will go at the 0th index, zebra at the 1st index, or the 1 index, and let's see, platypus will go at the 2nd index, or index 2, which is the 3rd index, actually. So let's print animals list just to verify that we have a list of animals. And we do, elephant, zebra, platypus. You know, maybe we want to not have a marsupial in here, and I might change platypus to, well, what should we change it to? Zebra. And now we're going to be able to see that change. Right, so elephant, zebra, zebra. Oh, zebra twice. I seem to not be able to think of another animal. Let's do lion. Elephant, zebra, lion. Okay. So we've got these 3 values in this list. I'm just going to show you really quickly a way that we can unpack these 3 items into some variable names. So Elif, Zeb, and let's do Lio are going to get the elements of this list. And I'll just go ahead and print each of these individually. Print Zeb and print Lio. And what we can see here is that these variable names are pointing to the strings that are in this list. So we've effectively unpacked this list. The other way that we can do this is individually by index. And I'll just set these to 0, 1, and 2. And we'll see the same result. Elephant, zebra, lion. So this is the concept of list unpacking. We can do this with a lot of different data types. Most often you'll see it with tuples. And the reason for that is that when a function returns something, it actually returns a tuple. And so if you return multiple items from a tuple, you might want to pack those items into multiple variables. But we'll look at that later on. For now, just realize that you can take a list if you know the number of items, and you can explicitly pass those items by index, 0th, 1st, and 2nd index, into some variable names.